This is the D minor chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today we'll be learning the D minor chord. Now to fret the D minor chord, your first finger will go to the first fret of the high E, your second finger will go to the second fret of the G, and your third finger will go to the third fret of the B string. And just like with the D major or all of these D chords, you're strumming from the open D string down. Now pick at each string one by one. And make sure that all of the strings are ringing clearly. And if they're not, then go back and double check your fingers. Make sure that all of your fingers are arched up like this. If they're laying down, then you're inevitably going to be muting the high E string. So you want to make sure your fingers are arched up like this, and that they're as close to the fret wires as possible. So they can't be back here because that makes holding chords down really, really difficult. They have to be as close to the fret wires as possible. Now let's just practice the D minor chord a little bit using the chord on, chord off technique. So hold down the chord, and take your fitting hand off, wiggle it around a bit, chord back on, and strum. This really builds the muscle memory of your hand. So sooner or later you'll be able to put the chord down right where you need to put it without even looking. If you want to practice the D minor a little bit more, you could fool around with a D minor, D sus2, D sus4. So there I'm just raising my first finger to expose the open E string, and sometimes putting my pinky onto the third fret of the high E. And that's how you play the D minor chord.